Hi everyone, welcome to week 3. I'm glad to see a few more people have joined our class and more of you are more active. So that's great to see. I'm glad to see that you're able to access the information and you're willing to participate with us. It's great to have you here. So for week 3, I want to give you a little overview of what the expectations are, and maybe hearing me explain it might make a little bit more sense. So let's go over and take a look at week 3. All right, here we are on the class stream, and the announcement that I made today is welcome to week 3. This week we have some art history and a create activity again. There are 2 options for the create activity, and I would like you to do one of them. The self-portrait is best to tackle over several days, so you can do eyes one day, noses the next, mouths another day, and then put them all together to make a self-portrait. The other create option is more of a design project, so if you prefer more of a graphic design activity, this might be the one for you. This week we're also looking at ancient Greece for the art history portion, and there are 3 topics in week 3 art history, and I would like you to do 2 of them. You can do both of the topics on Greece, or one topic on Greece and one on Amy Sherald. We've talked about Amy Sherald in class, so this should be familiar to you. So this week I'd like you to do the daily questions, one of the 2 create activities, either a self-portrait following the directions, or the Star Wars themed design project. And the third thing I'd like you to do is 2 of the art history topics from week 3. So they're very short videos, and the questions are already attached to the docs sheet that you can just type your answer right into that, and then when you close the docs, it saves your work. But if you go to the actual activity on the classwork tab to view the assignment, then it'll give you a little box over here to turn it in. That'll take it off your to-do list. So let's take a look at the portrait activity. If you scroll down, this is the activity. You start with one of these features. You can start wherever you want to, nose, mouth, or eyes. And then these 2 give you ideas on how to put them all together. So there's like a rubric and everything in here. You don't need to worry about all of that. Then the other part of this activity, the other option, could be for you to design your own Star Wars themed graphic design. So this particular example was done for Day of the Dead. I didn't do it, I got it off the internet. I want you to make your own. It has the typical outline and features of the Stormtrooper mask, but they've added some other design elements that make it unique. That's what I'm asking you to do. Then this is how you can turn in your portrait activity or your Stormtrooper design activity. Just put the picture, paste the picture, drag it, whatever you have to do to get it onto a Google slide. But there's a slide for eyes, noses, mouths, final portrait for the self-portrait, or you can just paste your final Stormtrooper right in here for the design project. Now on the design project, you can use paper, pencil, markers, brushes, or digital design if you want to work on the computer. You can make a composite picture by cutting and pasting things you find from the internet. Just make it your design, okay? The next thing that's on there is the art history, and this will take you right to the week 3 in my stream. If you scroll all the way around, you'll get to different weeks, but this will take you right to week 3. The questions are here, but they're also in that document that's on the assignment. So just watch the video, answer the questions, and then if you choose to do part on Amy Sherald instead of both of the Greece art history videos. That's fine. You can do one Grease and one Amy Sherald. See, there's topic 3, topic 2, topic 1. I want you to do 2 of these topics. So your questions are right here. You can just type right into here, type your answers in, and then you probably won't have that share button. Just close this, and then when you view the assignment, yours will look different. But you'll have a box over here to turn it in, and that's what you need to do to get that off of your to-do list. So it looks like a lot to do. Some of the projects are more time consuming than others. To pick the ones that you want to do, the ones that are interesting to you. If you don't want to do either one of the create projects that I gave you, look around on my web page and there's a lot more options there. Just do one of those. As long as you're making stuff and share it, I'd be glad to give you credit for that. I would love to see what you're making. Have a great week.